Hello and welcome to Erin Lee Beauty. And today we have Jeffree Star Mystery box. I got the deluxe size one, and also I got the mystery treats that they had available. There's a Secret Admirer mystery treat and also a Valentine's Day mystery treat. If you like makeup and beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more easier access to videos like this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I have a pretty large size box that they sent me. Inside, of course, is a bunch of Jeffree Star tissue paper. So I'm not sure which is the Secret Admirer mystery treat and which one is the Valentine's Day mystery treat, because I ordered both of them and they just put them both in the box, so I don't know which is which. This is the mystery box this year, the deluxe size one. I did already peek inside of it. I couldn't help myself, but go ahead and opening it. We have the Valentine's tissue paper in there, the pink and the red, and it is jam-packed full of goodies. Just a quick sneak peek of what's in there. Okay. First, it looks like we got a little heartbreaker something. This is a tiny hand mirror, it looks like. And they had bigger ones of this last year for sale. They had them for sale in the mystery, or not in the mystery thing. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little pocket mirror. Oh, that's adorable. I absolutely love that. Something that not a lot of people will have, so that's awesome. But anyways, they have bigger mirrors of this last year, and they now available have them for purchase this year, and I think they're on sale, so I picked one up as well, and I'll show that to you all here in just a minute. But here's the first thing inside the mystery bundle, a cute little hand mirror. Next we have Jeffree Star LED Star Selfie Light. I don't have this yet. I'm always happy to get new of his merchandise, that's for sure, and it is very fancy looking. It comes with a little charger. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, I've seen this online. I haven't actually seen it in person, but actually, to tell you the truth, the quality of it looks really nice. Like, it's not cheaply made, so I can appreciate that. I have another one, but it's not a Jeffree Star one, and it doesn't work very well, so I'm wondering if this one will work any better. I'll have to let everyone know about that. Next thing we got in here is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magnetic Palette. It looks like it's the smaller one. Doesn't say. I thought it would say on the front, like, if it's a 9-pan one, but I bet it's the 9-pan one because it's so small. Trying to get it open. Okay. It's actually really pretty. It has like a metallic-y pink look to it. And it's sealed, so I'm not going to be opening this. I'm going to be putting my Jeffree Star singles in there, but I also have cute little ones from Tarte as well. Tarte makes some really good, cute little magnetic palettes as well that I have. Okay, next, I absolutely love this. It's a Jeffree Star bracelet. It's a rose quartz bracelet. Nice. And it helps with developing self-love and improving relationships. I definitely need help with that. Okay, moving on. We have the gloss in Sickening, which I don't have this shade. Oh, well, actually, I might, because I think I have the purple, like, the big box set of it. So I'm sure that color's in there somewhere, but okay, it's not too bad. It's, like, really sparkly and metallic-y lavender purple looking, excuse me, lavender purple. Okay, I like it. So far, it seems like a pretty good mystery box. Okay, next up, I got a Velvet Trap lipstick in the shade Jeffree's Nudes. And I love his lipsticks. I think he has such good quality. Okay, it's just a nude color, which I'm okay with. It's not really my favorite. It kind of looks like you got concealer on your lips, I think, anyways. But there's that. Then we got a phone ring for the back of your phone, and I'm definitely going to be using this as well. I think it's super cute. We have a Supreme Gloss. I haven't yet to try this yet. It's in the shade Fatality. So I'm guessing it's red, but let's open it and see just to be sure. I wish it was, oh no, it's actually a pink color. It was just the box that's red. That's a really nice color, actually. I could see like just about anyone wearing this color. Let me get it out for you. Really pretty. And I'm excited to try the Supreme Gloss formula because I heard it's really good. But I've just tried the gloss, not Supreme Gloss yet. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. Another Supreme Gloss, and this one's in CUNT is the shade. And this is in a black box, but it has a pink sticker on top. So I'm wondering what shade this one is. If it's pink. Okay, another pink shade, but this one's a little more pinky than the other one was like a little bit more, I don't know, mauve-y, I would say. Then we got a liquid lipstick, which I don't know if I have. Yeah, I do have some of that. This is in the shade Leo, and it says shake well before use. Okay, and that is another nude color as well. And then it looks like we got a bunch of single eyeshadows in here. I got 6 of them. I got... Ooh... Mortuary Beautician, which I think this is from the Cremation palette, which I own. We have Raspberry. I can't remember which palette this is from, but I know I have this shade. O Positive. It is like a brown shade. And then we have Suck, which is an orange shade. I think I also have this. I think this is in Jawbreaker. I'm not really sure. This color is really pretty. It's called Flourishing. It's like a teal color. And then we have Gravedigger, which is definitely in the Cremated palette as well. And then the only thing in this entire box that I'm disappointed in is honestly the biggest item. It's the palette. I'm not disappointed for the quality because this is a really good palette. This is the Blood Sugar palette. The reason why I'm not super happy with this is because, I mean, I own this palette. And I know a lot of people probably do too. This is an older palette. I wish they'd put like newer palettes in there that people haven't had the chance to go out and purchase yet. Instead of repeat items. So I will be probably putting this in a giveaway or giving it to a really good close personal friend. So I'll let you guys know about that. We're still away from reaching our subscriber count. We need 350 to do the next giveaway. This may be an item in the giveaway. I'm just letting everyone know that ahead of time. But let's move on to the other things that I got. And when you order from Jeffree Star, make sure you search all the tissue paper, please. I accidentally threw away a highlighter one time because there's just so much tissue paper in here. I just check everything to make sure there's no secret thing. Okay, I do got an item, and this is one of my mystery items. I don't know, like I said, if this is the Secret Admirer one or the Valentine's Day one, but I'm actually pretty excited and happy with it. It's a Jeffree Star Skin Banana Fetish Body Scrub, which I think is actually decently expensive. So either if I paid the 12 or the 6 for it, I think that's a really good deal. And I'm interested to see how banana-y this really smells, because I don't own any of the banana fetish stuff yet. And it is very large, which I love. And I actually absolutely love the packaging with the fogged glass like that. It's just really pretty. Oh, it smells so good. It smells heavenly, actually. And the consistency of it is the consistency I look for in body scrubs. I don't know if you can really tell. It's like, it almost looks like buttery. Almost like a moisturizer. It doesn't have those really abrasive beads in it. I'll have to use this and let everyone know what I think about it. But definitely excited for that. That was a win for me. I think whichever one that you choose, honestly, you're going to be making out with that. And I did go ahead and pick up the Heartbreaker mirror. I collect Jeffree Star mirrors, so when I seen this was on sale, and I do believe it was only like 12 bucks or maybe less than that, but I went ahead and I picked it up to add to my collection. But there's that, and it matches my little pocket mirror that I have. And then my last mystery item is a mirror that I already own. I'm debating whether to keep this mirror or save it for a giveaway, but it's the pig mirror, the pearlescent pig mirror. Would be the other mystery item. So either way, whichever one you chose, the $12 or $6 one, you're getting your money's worth. Absolutely. I think that's amazing. Only issue I have, like I said, was them putting old palettes in there. I do get the theme of it more this year so than last year, because last year they put the orgy palette in there, and I feel like the orgy palette wasn't screaming Valentine's Day to me at all. This year it is, but now I'm like, I already own that palette now because I went out and did like a Jeffree Star shopping spree. But quite a few of them actually. But anyways, that's everything I had for this in particular video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.